Hey guys, it's Matt. Welcome to SpeedTutor, and yes, you did read it right. I've got over 400 gigabytes of sound effects and audio effects from Sonniss, which they release every single GDC. And as you can see from their page, this current pack of this year, and I will show you the previous years if you didn't manage to get them, because there's hundreds of gigabytes there. For this GDC for 2024, they're giving away 27.5 gigabytes of high quality audio, and there is no attribution required, and you can use this for any single project at all, as long as you don't end up selling the files yourself. And you can see that everything is royalty free and suitable for you to use, and the license page does have all the details in terms of where you can actually use it. The only restrictions are you can modify the tracks to be able to use them as your own or claim that they're yours, and you cannot sell them. So that's pretty straightforward. And then you can see there's full links here to be able to do the primary downloads, or you can use the torrent where you can download it all at once, and you can actually also enter to win the $5,000 worth of sound effects, which you can do by entering here below. You can click here to view the track list if you're interested. You get brought to a Google Sheets page, and you can see that they're from lots of different bundles between a lot of the asset developers that create these audio effects. So it's got ambiences, horror effects, cars, forests, all different things for urban type of sound effects, interior, exterior, and everything that you can imagine. And if you want to look at previous years and get some extra ones too, you can go to sonniss.com/gameaudio GDC. And while you're picking up these awesome free assets, do come and check out my Patreon to get over 225 different scripts, assets, and projects. And there's also a full list of everything you can get down in the description. And there is a little pop-up in the screen that if you do sign up for their email, you get an additional 9 gigabytes of GDC sound effects that are not featured anywhere else, so you can get hold of those too. But if you do, you go to this page and you can see that they've got 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21, 22, and you can see they've got their torrents and all the different separate links to be able to get all of the years that you've previously missed, and you can check out the track list and the licensing for these. So there's hundreds and hundreds of gigabytes for absolutely free, and you can use them anywhere. And what we'll do is we'll check out some of these sound effects. So it comes with this full folder. So as you can see, there's hundreds and hundreds of folders, and we'll look at this backyard rain and thunder. And as you can see, they're fairly heavy sizes. So if I go to properties, you can see that this is 250 megabytes. You can see the bitrate is fairly high on a lot of these audio effects, which I know a lot of people are concerned about. And as you can hear the sound effect in the background, just some examples. So I'll leave all the links down below for you to check out all these bundles and make sure that you get hundreds of gigabytes of free audio for your next game, because it's absolutely priceless. Do be sure to check out all the links below, because there's massive bundles on Humble Bundle for Unity assets and lots of Cinti selections. And there's a sale on the Unity Asset Store for best 3D models, which is 50% off at the moment. Be sure to come and check out my Patreon to get access to over 225 different scripts, assets, and projects you cannot find anywhere else. Big thank you to all my patrons. Massive thank you to Peter Steiner and everybody else who comes to watch the video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers.